What are cataracts and glaucoma? Cataracts and glaucoma are two of the most prevalent eye conditions that can lead to vision impairment and blindness if left untreated. Cataracts occur when the lens of the eye becomes cloudy, obscuring vision and making it difficult to see clearly. Glaucoma, on the other hand, is a group of eye diseases characterized by increased intraocular pressure, which can damage the optic nerve and lead to vision loss. These conditions are often age-related, but they can also be influenced by various factors, including genetics, lifestyle choices, and underlying health conditions. While medical interventions are available to treat cataracts and glaucoma, prevention is always better than cure. One of the most effective ways to maintain good eye health and reduce the risk of these conditions is through a balanced diet and the consumption of certain beverages. Understanding the risk factors for cataracts and glaucoma. Before delving into the drinks that can help prevent cataracts and glaucoma, it's essential to understand the risk factors associated with these conditions. Some of the key risk factors for cataracts include advanced age, exposure to ultraviolet (UV) radiation, smoking, diabetes, obesity, previous eye injuries or inflammation. Glaucoma, on the other hand, is often linked to the following risk factors: elevated intraocular pressure, advanced age, family history of glaucoma, certain medical conditions, e.g., diabetes, high blood pressure, eye injuries, prolonged use of corticosteroid medications. By recognizing these risk factors, we can take proactive steps to mitigate their impact and reduce our chances of developing cataracts and glaucoma. The role of nutrition in preventing cataracts and glaucoma. Nutrition plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health, including eye health. Certain nutrients have been found to be particularly beneficial in preventing or slowing the progression of cataracts and glaucoma. These include antioxidants, e.g., vitamins C and E, lutein, zeaxanthin, omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, vitamin B complex, carotenoids. By incorporating foods and beverages rich in these nutrients into our diets, we can help protect our eyes from damage and support their proper functioning. The benefits of drinking water for eye health. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining overall health, and this includes eye health. Water helps to keep the eyes lubricated and prevents dryness, which can lead to discomfort and potential eye problems. Drinking an adequate amount of water daily can also help flush out toxins and reduce the risk of eye infections. Additionally, proper hydration supports the production of tears, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy ocular surface and preventing conditions like dry eye syndrome. To ensure optimal hydration, it's recommended to consume at least 8 glasses of water per day, or more if you live in a hot or dry climate, exercise regularly, or have certain medical conditions. Green tea and its impact on cataracts and glaucoma prevention. Green tea is a beverage that has been widely studied for its potential health benefits, including its impact on eye health. This popular drink is rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids and catechins, which have been shown to have protective effects against cataracts and glaucoma. Research has suggested that the consumption of green tea may reduce the risk of cataract formation by inhibiting the oxidation of lens proteins and preventing their clumping, which can lead to cloudiness. Lower intraocular pressure, a key risk factor for glaucoma, by improving the drainage of fluid from the eye. Protect the optic nerve from damage by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. To reap the benefits of green tea, it's recommended to consume 2 to 3 cups per day. However, it's important to note that excessive consumption of green tea can lead to side effects, such as anxiety, insomnia, and digestive issues. The role of citrus juices in promoting eye health. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes, are rich sources of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in maintaining eye health. Consuming citrus juices can provide a concentrated dose of this essential nutrient. Vitamin C has been shown to protect the eye's lens from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of cataract formation. Support the production of collagen, which is important for maintaining the structural integrity of the eye. Enhance the absorption of other antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. Additionally, citrus juices contain other beneficial compounds, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which may also contribute to eye health by reducing inflammation and protecting against oxidative stress. To maximize the benefits of citrus juices, it's recommended to consume freshly squeezed juices or those with minimal processing and added sugars. The benefits of consuming carrot juice for preventing cataracts and glaucoma. Carrots are well known for their rich content of beta-carotene, a carotenoid that the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision and eye health, as it plays a crucial role in the functioning of the retina and the prevention of eye diseases. Consuming carrot juice can provide a concentrated source of beta-carotene and other beneficial compounds, such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients have been shown to protect the lens of the eye from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of cataract formation. Support the health of the retina and macula, which are essential for central vision and color perception. Reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. To reap the benefits of carrot juice, it's recommended to consume it fresh and unsweetened. Additionally, incorporating other vegetables rich in carotenoids, such as sweet potatoes, spinach, and kale, can further enhance the protective effects on eye health. The impact of antioxidant-rich drinks on eye health. Antioxidants are compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals and prevent oxidative stress, which can contribute to the development of various diseases, including cataracts and glaucoma. Several beverages are rich in antioxidants and can be beneficial for eye health when consumed in moderation. These include red wine. Red wine contains resveratrol, a potent antioxidant that has been shown to have protective effects against cataracts and glaucoma. Berry juices. Berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are rich in anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that can help protect the eyes from oxidative damage. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is loaded with antioxidants, including punicalagins and ellagic acid, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties, potentially benefiting eye health. Tomato juice. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a carotenoid with antioxidant properties that may help protect the eyes from light-induced damage and reduce the risk of cataracts and AMD. It's important to note that while these drinks can provide antioxidant benefits, moderation is key, as excessive consumption of some beverages, such as red wine, can have negative health consequences. Other drinks that may help prevent cataracts and glaucoma. In addition to the beverages mentioned above, there are several other drinks that may offer potential benefits for preventing cataracts and glaucoma. Milk and dairy products. Milk and dairy products are rich in vitamin A, zinc, and protein, which are essential for maintaining eye health and preventing conditions like night blindness and dry eye. Herbal teas. Certain herbal teas, such as chamomile, ginger, and turmeric, contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. Vegetable juices. Juices made from vegetables like spinach, kale, and beets are rich in nutrients like lutein, zeaxanthin, and nitrates, which may help support eye health and reduce the risk of cataracts and glaucoma. It's important to remember that while these drinks may offer potential benefits, they should be consumed as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Conclusion: incorporating these drinks into your daily routine for better eye health. Maintaining good eye health is essential for preserving our vision and overall quality of life. By incorporating the drinks mentioned in this video into our daily routine, we can provide our eyes with valuable nutrients and antioxidants that may help prevent or slow the progression of cataracts and glaucoma. Remember, prevention is key, and making simple lifestyle changes, such as drinking more water, green tea, citrus juices, and antioxidant-rich beverages, can go a long way in protecting our precious eyesight. If you're concerned about your eye health or have a family history of cataracts or glaucoma, it's essential to schedule regular eye exams with an ophthalmologist. Early detection and proper treatment can help prevent vision loss and preserve your eyesight for years to come. Don't wait until it's too late. Prioritize your eye health today by incorporating these beneficial drinks into your daily routine and seeking professional care when needed.